How to make elderberry syrup. Is elderberry syrup actually effective? When taken at the earliest sign of illness, elderberry extract has been demonstrated to considerably alleviate or lessen cold and flu symptoms and may help you recover more quickly. When consumed within the first 48 hours of symptoms arising, elderberry extract has been demonstrated to shorten the duration of flu symptoms by an average of 4 days. Elderberries have also been demonstrated to reduce insulin resistance in laboratory experiments using rats. The fact that you might want to consult your doctor before taking insulin if you have diabetes is something to bear in mind. In this video, we're going to talk about the recipe for elderberry syrup. Ingredients. You'll need water, honey, fresh ginger, cinnamon sticks, and dried elderberries for this recipe. You can make your own elderberry syrup in just a few simple steps and an hour. Additionally, making it will cost you much less than purchasing a bottle of elderberry syrup. The syrup tastes fantastic, and each element in the recipe has potential advantages, but it is also adaptable. You can omit the ginger, cinnamon, or cloves if you don't like them. Method. Step 1. On a sunny day, gather the heads of plump elderberries and use a fork to separate the berries from the stems. Although it isn't necessary, you can wash the berries before proceeding. Step 2. Pour roughly 1 centimeter of water over the berries in a saucepan. If you like, add additional ingredients like ginger or cloves. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and gently simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the berries have broken down into a liquid. Allow to gently cool. Step 3. Measure the liquid after straining the mixture through a fine sieve. You'll require 400 grams of sugar for every 500 milliliters of liquid. Put the liquid and sugar back into the pot after cleaning it, along with the lemon juice. Until all the sugar has dissolved, bring to a simmer and slowly boil for around 10 minutes. Allow the syrup to completely cool before bottling or freezing. It can be stored for up to a year or kept for 3 months in the refrigerator. It can be used in desserts, poured over ice cream, and diluted with hot or cold water for drinking. When the liquid has simmered, add the honey in a quantity that is at least half that amount. This quantity may vary somewhat, so make sure you have enough honey to prevent the spoilage of your syrup. For instance, if you have 2 cups of elderberry decoction remaining, you need at least 1 cup of honey. I'll be honest, elderberries don't have much flavor on their own. Flavor is brightened by the sugar, lemon juice, and hints of ginger, and is made pleasant and, despite being tart, undoubtedly delicious. You could also use a cinnamon stick or maybe some cloves in place of the ginger. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video if you found it valuable.